channel. There's been some comments on some of my past videos about my pressure washer setup. So today we're going to go through the entire setup, everything I have here, and I'm going to show you the current prices on Amazon. I think that's where I got most of this stuff. I think I got that from Pressure Washers Direct, which very comparable prices. Everything's going to be in the description down below, all the part numbers, all the prices, and where you can get it. So after I show you everything, the complete setup and where you can get it all, we're going to go ahead, back the Viper out, and I'm going to show you how it works. So first, for the heart of everything, we have the AR Blue Clean 630 TSS-HOT pressure washer. Like I said, I got this from Pressure Washers Direct, but right now the current price on Amazon is $867.82. This is 1900 PSI, and it is 2.1 gallons per minute. That's what I love about the pressure washer, is the gallons per minute, and it really helps you get the soap on the car and get the soap off the car. So, and it's not an insane amount of pressure to where it's not going to rip the paint off your car, unlike some of those gas pressure washers. Super simple to use. I've got it plugged into the wall over here, and then I've got my cord tucked in underneath the box under here. You can kind of see. And also, I've got it plumbed into my water hose on the other side of the house. It's right over there. And it's already hooked up to the pressure washer. So it's super simple. Everything's all plumbed in, ready to go. So this pressure washer, it is a little bit more money than a lot of the other pressure washers, but it is a commercial unit, and it also takes hot water too. So you can hook it, I believe it's up to 180 degrees. You can hook water up to it, and it's gonna work for degreasing very well and things like that. I also use this pressure washer on my house, on siding, on my porch, and all kinds of stuff. It's a great pressure washer. It has more than enough pressure for anything that I use it for, and it's just really simple to use. So you come up here, well, we've got a 4-foot jumper hose from the pressure washer up to the reel, and that hose is $24.98 on Amazon right now. So then we've got our Cox hose reel. This is a 100-foot by 3/8 inch hose, and it is made for a pressure washer. There are some mixed reviews on it, but as long as you reel the hose reel up with no pressure in the line, so relieve the pressure before you reel it up, you're not gonna have any problems with blowing out the O-rings in here. But those are the only negative reviews on it that I saw. So the price of the Cox hose reel on Amazon right now is $144 with $9.99 shipping. So then we come up here to our hose. This is a 100-foot by 3/8 non-marring hose, JGB Enterprises, and it's $145.30 free shipping on Amazon. I know you can get different kinds of hoses. This is just the hose that I went with, and it seems to work for what I use it for. This is a Mosmatic pressure gun with a 20-inch lance on it with a bent tip. Also have 1/4-inch quick connect fittings here. I couldn't find the Mosmatic wand on Amazon anymore, so I was able to find the MTM on Amazon with a 20-inch bent lance for $144.99 with free shipping. And it also comes with new tips and everything you need. It comes with the 1/4-inch quick connect fittings there as well. One thing about the gun is make sure you get a swivel fitting. It's a live action swivel fitting, so when it's under pressure, it'll still swivel, and it just makes things really easy, you know, when you're walking around the car and trying to get the hose in position. So next thing, we've got a bunch of quick connect fittings. Down here, we've got, these are 3/8 quick connect fittings, and you also need this adapter from, I believe it's M22 to the 3/8. So this is your standard pressure washer fitting. I believe for most electric pressure washers has that fitting. I also have a 90-degree elbow here, and I just use that because it's easier, you know, it takes up less room with the 90-degree elbows on there, and I can get my truck in the garage without disconnecting it. So that's the complete pressure washer setup. It is a little bit expensive, but you buy it once and you're done with it. Some of the ones from Home Depot, yeah, if you treat them right, you get lucky. They'll last a little bit, but it just doesn't have the pressure in the gallons per minute that this one does. It does run off of a 20-amp breaker, so just make sure you don't have a lot of stuff plugged into that circuit, otherwise it's going to trip the outlet. I know some people have issues with that in some of the reviews, but I've had an issue with this, and I've used it at, I think, 3 different houses with no issues. So like I said, it's a super simple system to use. I like that I don't have to mess with gas, I don't have to mess with oil, I don't have to mess with, you know, just another internal combustion engine. But this is a great setup, I love it, and I highly recommend it. So the rest of my setup, just a basic wash bucket I got from Walmart. I've got, I believe this is an RV scrub brush. It's just easier using it on the truck and a camper and everything. I've got regular wash mitts there. The wheel brush I use here, I just bought this from Amazon. I believe it was 20 bucks, and it works really well. It doesn't scratch the black wheels on the truck, and it does a really good job. This was my original foam cannon. I got that from Amazon. I believe it was around 10 bucks, maybe $12. It's a Twinkle Star. With the smaller nozzle on the hose cannon here, this thing kind of stripped out. I've been using it for about a year. That's just one of the disadvantages of it. I just bought this one a few weeks ago and I love it. It's got a bigger neck on it, so it won't strip out as easy, and it actually seems to put out more foam. What I use over here, I've got Chemical Guys soap. I love Chemical Guys soap. Got citrus wash and gloss. And also have the Maxi-Suds too. Over here, these are just some pipe parts that I got from Lowe's, and I put them together, sanded them down, and I painted them. I think they look nice, and it organizes all my stuff very nicely. I love this stuff here, the Rain-X waterless car wash and rain repellent. It works surprisingly awesome, just for little touch-ups, and then, you know, if the car's dusty, I'll detail it with that. Also, this stuff here, I just kind of found this about a month ago. This is Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Wax. It works absolutely amazing. I've used it on everything. I've used it on my camper, my lawnmower, my Toyota Corolla, my truck, my wife's Jeeps. Then we got Meguiar's Hybrid Ceramic Detailer. This stuff seems to be pretty awesome as well. It's kind of expensive compared to the Rain-X, but it works awesome. I love Meguiar's products, so I got Meguiar's convertible top cleaner for the Jeep soft top, and I like the Natural Shine interior protectant. Also, wheel cleaner. I really don't use this that much because I don't let my wheels get that dirty, but this stuff takes off some crazy road grime. It's just the Hot Rims wheel and tire cleaner. Also, we got Meguiar's Hot Shine tire spray. I love this stuff. Can't go wrong with Simple Green. More tire spray, engine degreaser, and this is Chemical Guys Bare Bones underbody spray. It really works well for wheel wells, axles, anything underneath the car. Frame, you can put it in the engine compartment. It smells nice, it doesn't make a mess, and unlike WD-40, it's not going to wear at your plastics. If you continue to use WD-40 on your plastics, it's going to eventually gray them out and they're not going to look as good as they once did. All this stuff you can get at Walmart. It's pretty comparable price to Amazon. Up here we've got the Chemical Guys. I believe it's the Wolly Mammoth towel. I think it was about $40 on Amazon. I'll include that in the description down below. And over here we have the Griot Garage, I believe it is. I may be pronouncing that wrong, but I forget what it's called, but this is actually my favorite towel compared to this one. It does a much better job, I think. And as you can see, it's been used a little bit, but it works awesome. I'll put that in the description down below so you can see what the number is on that. And then we just also have our other detailing rags here. I use this for the waterless wash. This is my windshield rag. This is my wash rag for the waterless wash, and also my interior rag. So we're gonna go ahead, back to Viper out, and show you how everything works. So like I said, I have my water hose hooked up right here to my hose bib on the house, and it comes around over here. It's not the cleanest thing in the world, but it works, and it just makes it super simple. So it comes over here into my pressure washer. I always leave that on, and it's ready to go. Then all you gotta do is turn it on. and put it away. It's as easy as that. So I hope you enjoyed my explanation and review of my pressure washer setup. If there's something else you want to see or something else you want to see about the Viper, let me know, put them in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, please like, share, subscribe, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.